time for some wings. So first thing we're going to do is crack open the tequila, then get your 1/4 cup measure and bang in 1/4 cup of tequila in your mixing jug. Then I'm going to add the same amount of rapeseed oil straight into the tequila. Then you're going to add the juice of 1 whole lime. Make sure it's a big one, you want it limey. Then you're going to add a tablespoon of runny honey, followed by a teaspoon of chili flakes, or a bit more if you like it spicy. Good old crack of salt, and some freshly ground black pepper. This is important. Zest a lime. Put the whole zest of a lime into your concoction. Then you're just going to give it a whisk with a spoon. For my wings, I like to score them so some of the marinade can get actually into the meat rather than just sitting on the surface of the actual skin. So yeah, get a sharp knife, slash them to the bone. So then we're going to put the marinade onto the wings and it will penetrate into the meat. And it's a simple case of then pouring your marinade onto your wings and letting them sit in a bowl until you're ready to grill. Toss them with your fingers, make sure they're all incorporated and try and submerge them as best you can in your marinade. So here we've got our Kamado Joe set up for 2-zone cooking, which basically means on the left-hand side, we've got our deflector plate in, so there's no direct heat underneath that part of the grill. But on the right-hand side, where the wings are, there's direct heat underneath. So we can get a nice bit of colour on the wings before moving them across to the left-hand side to bring the chicken up to the safe eating temperature, which is 75 degrees Celsius. I've let these wings set for probably about 15 minutes now, so we're going to turn them over and see what sort of colour we've got on them. If your wing is sticking to the grill, this means it's not ready to be turned over. Let it sit there for a little bit longer, and when the skin is crispy, it will release from the grill grate and you know it's ready to move over to the cooler side of the grill. So let's toss these wings. So those last couple there are not quite ready yet, so we'll let them sit for a little bit longer before moving them across. Now it's a case of waiting for them to come up to the safe temperature, 75 degrees Celsius for your chicken, and then we can tuck in.